Now I wash the clothes from the river on top of the rocks, those big rocks in the river. I wash. Now I'm drying. You can see we don't have drying lines, washing lines here deep in the village, but we just put our clothes on top of rocks, like you see these ones, and even this one I'm going to put there on that other big rock, like this. That's how we dry. That's how we dry our clothes here in the village. We only select big rocks like this. Yes, we select big rocks. That's where we put our clothes. I don't know if you can see proper. Like this one. I put it here to dry. You can see. I'm sure you can see. Now it's drying on the rocks. That's how we dry our clothes in the village. This is a big rock and we put them to dry. Yes, thank you for watching. Keep on watching.